Hey Speed Society Car Club, it's Brian Cole. I'm here to take you on a little adventure. I'm here to give you kind of a walkthrough and unveil the unboxing of Speed Society Car Club number 38 for the month of June. This is something that really represents what the car club is and why it was ever created in the first place. And the goal and the concept was always to unite and bring together car culture and to bring together unique individuals and crazy car people like you and I from every different walk of life, every different discipline and things that we like. We need to have one place that we can call our own, one thing that represents us all, right? And brings us together. The other component to that is fashion, right? How do you have car culture and you don't have a lifestyle component? And that's something that has never really existed within the automotive space. It's not an industry you look at and say, hey, that's a lifestyle, that represents me, that represents what I like to do every day and my passion, and also how I like to look, what makes me feel good, what do I want to wear outside, do I want to go out on a date, do I want to go see my friends, I'm going to go to the bar, need to go to dinner. What brings that all together? And nothing has done that. And that was always the goal of the car club, is bringing us together, uniting us all, car culture, lifestyle, and fashion. And that is this month. That is this month's drop. That is Car Culture United. And like always, you guys, you get a insert. That insert breaks down the whole concept and the design brief itself. You get 2 limited edition decals, and you get the exclusive shirt that only Car Club members get and can never be purchased anywhere else. And those are fully custom every single month for you. So let's get into it. Here is the insert. This is for SSCC number 38, and that is Car Culture United. Our first decal is this really, really fun one. And this is kind of like a Zeppelin vibe shape decal itself, and it says members only right on the bottom. That's a fun one. And the next one is more of your streetwear, street art, paste up. I want this thing to be slapped everywhere, and it's bold, it's bright. And this is Fast Sense Go, Speed Society Car Club. Now I'm gonna get into the shirt. This is one of my favorite, it's definitely my favorite of 2022. And there's a couple different meanings behind that and reasons behind that. But like I mentioned, what the car club is and Car Culture United, right? In fashion and bringing fashion together. Well, this is based on streetwear. This is something that is an all over print. It's bringing together all different types of logos, all different kinds of slogans, placing them all together all over the place and looking awesome. It's epic. It's one of the dopest shirts I've seen. And we'll get straight into it. So here we go. Here's the front hit. Like always, we got the Speed Society Car Club itself. This is the first time ever we've got this rad members only hit. It's gonna be rad to represent that. Everybody's gonna see you wearing that. Like always, on the right arm, we've got the limited edition number. That is SSCC number 38, and we took it even further this month. We have SS limited edition, SSCC38, and member exclusive. On the left arm, we have some crossed wrenches and SSCC on there for Speed Society Car Club. And now we're gonna get into the full drop itself. And this is, again, an all over streetwear print. It's epic, and here we are. We've got at the top, Car Culture United quote. We've got this really cool, unique Speed Society icon. We've got the Speed Society Car Club globe, uniting us all across the world. We've got that same Speed Society Zeppelin-based hit here. We've got 38 with some cool checkers. That's 38 for Speed Society Car Club number 38, the exclusive right here. We've got a Lightning Bolt limited edition Car Club banner. We've got the same big fat slogan right here of Fast Sense Go, and SD for our streetwear division. So we brought together this epic streetwear shirt, all over prints. We got the left arm, we've got the right arm, we've got the front, we've got the back, and black, gray, and this really, really bright yellow. This is such a rad shirt. One of the dopest ones that we've done yet. I think you guys are gonna love it, and I love it. I got myself 2 of them. That's it, that's SSCC number 38. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you kind of like the journey, you understand it. You understand Speed Society Car Club, car culture and lifestyle. Like always, we can't do this without you. The Speed Society Car Club members are the backbone of Speed Society and what we do. Like always, as a Car Club member, you get 350 entries every single month to every giveaway that we do. That's a give back. That is something that we always try and do since 2013, is to support all the people that support us. And we work with some amazing companies, some amazing brands to build these incredible cars as a give back to all of our Car Club members and all of our customers. So thank you so much. We can't do this without you. I love you guys. I hope you drop some great comments below and let us know what else can we do? What else can we bring to you for 2022? This is gonna be an epic year for us. We love you again. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.